Hair loss can be frustrating and affect self-esteem. Factors leading to hair thinning include nutrition, especially vitamins. Hair needs various nutrients for health and growth. Understanding the top essential vitamins for hair health is crucial. Vitamin deficiency is not the only reason for hair loss. Watch the complete video for more tips. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for hair growth as it promotes healthy sebum production, hydrates the scalp, and supports new hair cell growth. A deficiency can lead to dry scalp and hair loss. Daily intake is 900 micrograms for adults and 700 micrograms for men. Incorporating vitamin A into your diet, one of the best sources is sweet potatoes. A 200 gram medium sweet potato contain about 213% of the recommended daily intake for most adults. Biotin. Biotin is a vital vitamin for hair health, enhancing keratin infrastructure, stimulating amino acids and protein production, and promoting hair growth. The Institute of Medicine recommended daily intake of 30 micrograms. Almonds are a good source. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for hair growth as it strengthens hair strength, acts as an antioxidant, and aids in the absorption of iron, vital for hair health and prevent damage and breakage. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for hair growth, stimulating follicles and maintaining scalp health. It prevents thinning and loss, and deficiency can lead to continuous like alopecia. Regular sun exposure and vitamin D rich foods can maintain optimal hair health. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its benefit for skin and hair health, particularly in hair loss. Its antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress in the scalp, which is linked to hair loss. A healthy scalp is crucial for optimal hair growth as it produces hair more efficiently and less likely to suffer damage. Vitamin E also supports blood circulation, maintaining the hair's protective lipid layer and preventing excessive moisture loss. Consuming vitamin E rich foods like sunflower seeds can protect hair, improve its texture, and promote overall hair health. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is crucial for hair health by infusing circular magnesium for healthy hair growth and maintenance. It plays a role in protein metabolism, which is essential for hair strength and integrity. Vitamin B6 also regulates the function of androgens, which can influence hair growth and loss. Consuming B6 rich foods such as bananas can support hair health and overall well-being by enhancing nervous system function and metabolism. Folic acid. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is crucial for new cell generation and hair growth. It plays a role in synthesis of red blood cells which carry oxygen to the scalp. Folic acid also helps control levels of homocysteine and amino acid in the blood, which can damage hair follicle cells. Consuming lentils, which provide about 358 micrograms of folic acid, can help prevent hair thinning and loss. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is crucial for hair health, enhancing growth and appearance by improving blood circulation, cellular metabolism, and preventing oxidative stress. Induced cell season. Chicken breast is an excellent source of vitamin B3. Which vitamin do you eat when you face hair loss? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Foods and Veggies.